This is my 2014 Polaris Sportsman 570. I got water in the belt housing which froze. See, from all this ice on the floor, maybe, and with no way to heat the outside of the belt housing cover, I took it apart. Not that easy to get the footwell off. It's in there very tight. Now I did notice this time, looking at it, I really never looked at it carefully enough, there's actually two snorkels on it. There's this one, which connects to this tube and goes up to the top of the gas tank. Then there's this tube on the front that actually sits right over the heater hose where the thermostat is. Maybe that's to warm the belt up? I don't know. Hey look, more ice. So there are two plastic darts. You'll need to take out these two holes. That allows flexibility of the rear fender. You may want to take both snorkels off. Getting the front one in is not that simple. I chose not to have to fight with the boot on the front one. Get your boots aligned. I take the clamp out of my way. Now the bottom half is only the outside. The top half has an inner and outer piece, keeping water out. But seeing how water doesn't like to go uphill, you don't need it on the bottom. So the bottom's the one you want to take apart. Now that's pretty well lined up. I'll throw a couple bolts in the housing. And to get them started, I'll take a magnet. I'm not going to tighten them up right now. So what I do, take the close end of a wrench, slide it under the part of the boot that's already in place, and slide it around. The next fun part. The front goes in first. On a 2000 Sportsman, it's a lot easier.
Back is just as much.
This is supposed to go inside. I don't recommend doing this in the cold. On the 2000 Sportsman, they used Phillips head screws in the bottom of the footwell. And they fill up with ice and dirt and whatever else is on the ground. And you gotta clean them up before you put a screwdriver in them. Well, they haven't really done much better with this one. These are Torx head screws, which are harder to clean out. So what I'm gonna do for now, I don't feel like digging through hardware. I'm gonna put them in upside down.
Want more weather?
I'll probably put some stainless steel hex bolts in upside down.
Or possibly weld nuts to the bottom of the footwell support.
One nice improvement over the 2000 Sportsman is there's no shim that you need to remember which way it goes and try to keep it lined up.
You have a tapered torque screw that goes here. And one in front. Up, up. One back. Sorry. That one in the back.
In the back over here. That's right. And you have plastic darts. They go here in the front. These darts aren't too bad. They come out easy, they go back in easy. Plastic darts are actually better than bolts. Because say you got a decent sized branch wedged up here, the plastic darts will break before any of the bodywork should. I use this panel tool for a car to remove the darts. put one of the legs up in the notch, get it started, then just pry it up. Next fun thing is the side panel. Wow, that went really easy. I do recommend you get a bunch of these plastic darts extra. Because I'm missing half of one already. Probably find it when I move the wheeler out.
Then you put the rest forward.
Actually, there's still one more step. Now these are only plastic threads. Just quarter turn past finger tight. There's also an O-ring in there, which will keep it from loosening up, as long as it's tightened enough.